Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a very hard birthday card. To begin, you'll need some essential tools. Gather sturdy cardstock, a sharp craft knife, and a reliable metal ruler for accurate measurements. You'll also want to have a scoring tool, strong adhesive, and a variety of decorative elements ready. These materials are the foundation for creating a truly impressive and challenging card that will delight the recipient. Now, let's dive into the intricate design. Consider a multi-layered pop-up box or a dynamic spinning element to add complexity. Carefully sketch your chosen design, paying close attention to how each piece will interact. Precision is key here. Measure and mark every fold and cut line with utmost care. A small error can significantly impact the final assembly, so take your time and be meticulous. With your design finalized, it's time for the most challenging part: cutting and scoring. Always use a very sharp craft knife on a protective cutting mat to achieve perfectly clean edges. Before folding, gently score all your marked lines. This prevents the cardstock from cracking and ensures crisp, professional folds. Take your time cutting out each intricate pop-up component and any decorative elements, as precision here is paramount for a successful outcome. Finally, let's bring your masterpiece to life through careful assembly. Use a strong, quick-drying adhesive, applying it sparingly to avoid excess. Align each pop-up component with extreme precision before pressing firmly into place, allowing ample drying time for a secure bond. Once the structure is complete, add your chosen embellishments, perhaps some glitter, a delicate ribbon, or tiny die-cut shapes, to give your challenging birthday card a truly spectacular finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.